Hi everybody, it's Carrie here. You're kicking it with Carrie. Today we're going to talk about NBDPS Fest. Oh, hey! Oh, snafu. Okay, I'll see you guys over there. Get me a taco. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we're talking about our open house event. You guys, we've been doing this for years, and every year it gets better and better. I don't know why I do this to myself, but this year we decided to do it in both our Newport Beach location and our San Juan Capistrano location. Oh, do you guys like my bling? I have my wristbands because I'm staff, and these are for our VIPs, and then we've got general admission. No shame in general admission, but if you're a VIP, meaning if you're a member of our NBDPS VIP app, which is so easy to do, and I would do it now if you plan on coming, but it's still pretty cool even if you don't come. You get extra privileges at the event. So there's VIP entrance, number one, and number two, there's going to be this thing with a wheel that you spin, and we're going to have different prizes on the wheel that you can win just for being a VIP. If you've never been to our open house before, you don't know about all the amazing things that we do at it. So let me just review really quickly what it is. First off, we have treatments and specials on sale, like the whole day, everything, almost every single thing that we do here in the office will have a promotional price. We will have vendors in each room from all of your favorite products like Elta MD, Illumier, Obagi, then treatments like Cool Sculpting and Restylane and RHA fillers and toxin like Botox and Dysport. All those people are going to be at our festival, and you can talk to them, you can ask them questions. Our providers will be there too, and it's kind of cool to overhear, like it's very busy, you guys. So you're going to hear other people's questions, you're going to see some answers, and I know sometimes it's hard when you're in the office to ask everything you want to ask. This is that day to do that. Maybe you're like, I kind of was curious about Elicor, but I don't want to have a whole appointment about it because I don't want to, feel pressure or whatever. This is your chance to learn about Elicor, learn about PicoSure, learn about fillers, learn about whatever you want to learn about. Plus, we're offering discounts on everything. So you learn about it, and then you're like, you know what, that's for me, I want to get it. Then you buy it that day, and you can use it anytime throughout the whole year, okay? So I have with me a couple little things that I wanted to just touch on. We're going to have this thing called the Core 4, 30% off the Core 4. That is, these 4 products are going to be 30% off. I know it says just added, but you guys know how marketing is. We can't just add it like right at the moment of the thing. So this is going to be Thursday, May 23rd. You're going to be able to get 30% off these products. This product I have out because Dr. McNeil has so very generously decided to give the first 50 people in attendance at both locations a full-size one of these. This we sell in the store for $114. It's our daily antioxidant cream, great for festival goers. When you're outside all day, every day, it can help with free radicals and protect your skin from everything. It's got antioxidants in it. It's got green tea. It's got resveratrol. Good stuff. Helps calm redness. Love this. So be one of those first 50 at either Newport Beach or San Juan Capistrano, and you'll get your hands on one. I talked about the VIP wheel, so that's going to be something for the people who are members of our VIP program, and there's an app for that. So I think Mandy might have put it up earlier, but I'll just say it again. It's nbdps.vip.repeatmd.com. You log on to that from Safari, and then you can download our app, and then there's a way to just like add it to your home screen. So I'd recommend that you do that so that you get these extra perks. You want to be the one that has the blue bracelet, okay? So I talked about treatments that are going to be on special. We're going to have everything from Botox to Xeomin to Radius to Restylane to RHA to Cool Sculpting to True Sculpt Flex to PicoSure to IPL to basically everything that we do, or almost everything, is going to be on special that day. You buy it that day. You can buy it by calling us, although you'll miss out on the fun, or you can buy it by going on our website, or you can walk in and buy it. Okay, so would love to have you come to our Newport location. That's going to be from 9 to 12 in the morning. Our San Juan location is going to be open from 3 to 6. We're going to have a taco truck, you guys, at San Juan, not in the morning. In Newport, we're going to have, like little pastries and stuff like that. And then we're going to do a taco truck and some drinks in the San Juan location. We're going to have live entertainment. You guys, you really don't want to miss this. It's one of these events that people talk about all year long. All of our patients that come are like, when are you going to do that again? And it's time. It's right here. It's right around the corner. So this coming Thursday, May 23rd, is when it's going to be. I wanted to, lots of times I talk really fast during these I don't know, videos, and people are like, Carrie, I don't understand. What is it? They want to see an email. They want to see it right in writing. We do have an email marketing list. You guys are probably like, I get so many emails from you guys. If you're talking about appointment reminders, those aren't the emails I'm talking about. We send out emails about like our festival that we're having. We send out emails about our Mother's Day promotion that we just did. We send out specials and things like that all the time. Not all the time, about once a month. So if you'd like to be on our email marketing list, please send an email to info@newportbeachdps.com, and we will add you to the marketing list so you can be kept abreast of all the things that we do here at NBDPS. Thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see you when? Next Thursday, May 23rd, in either Newport Beach from 9 to 12 or San Juan Capistrano from 3 to 6.